first Christmas activity we're gonna do. Are we gonna play Pin the Tail on Rudolph? Or are we gonna decorate Christmas cookies? Oh, I have a lot of ideas that we can do for Christmas, guys. What are your guys' plans? I don't know. But that doesn't matter. I was just gonna watch some Crazy Mario Bros. I was gonna do that. Why? If plus it's the middle of the night, how am I gonna do any of them? How am I gonna do any of them? It would be basically impossible. Well, not for me, because I am Frederickson Fazbear the First, and I can do whatever I want. Nothing's impossible for Frederickson Fazbear the First. Come on, guys, let's go try. Whatever, I'm just gonna chill here. Mango and Foxy will probably do that. They're bored. It's hot in here. I'm gonna open a window. Ah! 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 Oh! Ah! Whoa! It's shivering. What the heck? What's that sound coming from the other room I was just in? Whoa! 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 It's really windy and cold. What did you guys do? Freddy, I think it just got stronger. Yeah, you think? How do you plan on stopping it? Oh, great! The power went out! Hold on, guys. I'm gonna see something real quick. I'm just minding my own business, wondering how beautiful I look. How could I turn it out? How could God make a masterpiece out of me? I'm beautiful. What's that sound coming from the other room? Huh? Dang it! The power went out. I can't see it. Ow! Ow! I can't see. Ugh. Whoa! Okay. I can kind of see, thanks to my night vision implanted into me when we were being made for the tie-dye world theme park coming soon. I was inputted with night vision so I can see. Alright. Freddy, where are you? Alright. I can kind of see where I'm directing myself and directing myself in the room. I can't see it. Ow! Oh, guys? That's where the sound's coming from? Ah! Oh. It's cold. Mango? Mango, is that you? Whoa! Ugh. What the heck did I trip on? What is this? What is this? It has a face. What am I touching? Ow, what's touching my face? My body? I'm touching something's face. Is this you? Oh, I feel rabbit ears. Yeah, that's you. Mango, can you shine some light on us? Yeah, sure. It's Alakazam! Ugh. Anyways, I'm still thankful for that. Anyways, it's nice to see you all. Where's Foxy? That bro's probably in the breaker room trying to fix the power. Yeah, Foxy comes prepared for everything. Anyways, now that we have this little light source, we're able to see ourselves. So, we gotta find Chica. Chica, come to the light source. Sir, yes, sir. Oh, I made it change colors. That's pretty cool. So we're all together as a little group. What are we gonna do in the meantime? Are we gonna try to help Foxy turn the power back on? Yeah, this all happened because of the blizzard. The blizzard? Oh yeah, when I opened the window. That's why the power went out. That kind of explains a lot, actually. Yeah, I got hot, so I opened the window. Well, you should know there's a 100-pound blizzard going on. I didn't know there was a blizzard going on, okay? You don't have to point it in my face. We're not trying to point anything. Yeah, we're not pointing anything in your face. Shut up. Anyways, we're going to have to put the power back on. Well, yeah, no, duh. Just how are we going to do it is the question. Anyone got any plans? I have one. What? Turn off all the electronics. Once we're not using the devices. Chica. What? I use the pizza warmer 24/7. It's my thing. I know it's your thing. You eat pizza, but for once you're gonna have to turn it off. No, and you can't make me. I know where it is. I'll turn it off. What the Mango? You're supposed to be on my side to guard that thing. Not telling her anything after this. Okay. I wasn't talking to you, Bonnie. Well, no one was talking to you either, chicken. Actually, that's not true. What do you mean? You were talking to me. That's false. Truth or false? I slapped Bonnie. Wait, what? Ow! Ow. Huh? You sound like a girl when I slap you. Oh, the light. There we go. Alright, now I just have this windy noise in the background, which is really disturbing because of the window situation. Jesus Christ. I got it. Should I just close the window? It's actually kind of impossible. I'm gonna go try. Okay, while Ashika attempts to that, whoa! Which will probably end bad. What are we gonna do in the meantime? Probably help Bonnie? Ow! God, Bonnie. Here. Oh, what are you gonna do? Oh my God! I'm trying to check if you're okay. Ow! I think I went blind. No, doctors do this all the time to people. But we're robots, not people. That's a big difference, Mangle. That doesn't matter. Just making sure you don't have any scratches. Yep, you should be fine. Don't throw our only light source. We have this yellow light coming from the camera. But I guess if we need this, I'll hold on to it. Alright, I got it. Thanks, Mangle. Now, where the heck's Chica? Failing at closing the window. Woo! Oh! Oh God! Oh God! Ow! Yep! Ow! Yep! We can't close that window. So this blood's gonna be happening for a bit. Okay, well in the meantime, what are we gonna do? Just tell some stupid Christmas stories? I mean, it is Christmas. That's actually not a bad idea. Oh no, the one thing I didn't want to happen happened. Well, who's about to go first? Oh, I thought you had one. No. I didn't even know we were gonna do this. Well, should we try to live our day normal? I don't see why not. Wait, Chica, we're on a budget for the whole Blizzard video. What do you mean? I don't think we're about to tell our whole family to turn the entire power off and then turn it back on whenever we need it. Oh yeah, true. Crap. Okay, can that noise just flat out stop? It's annoying. Well, sadly, this is a Blizzard. What were you expecting? Just wait until it gets louder. Oh no, it got louder. Whoa, not again. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. Take cover. Whoa. Guys. Whoa. Whoa. Our light source. Our light source. Oh. Eating myself from the bed wasn't a good idea. Oh, ow. Oh, that really hurts. Oh, that really hurts. Alright, well, I can't see anymore. Can't tell where my surroundings is, or what they are. I'm gonna have to try to find my way around it. Ah! No! Oh. Ow! Where am I? Where did I land? Freddy? Bonnie? Mango? Oh, I hope Fox can get the power on soon. Alright. Let's see, I'm gonna fix the fuse from the upstairs area. Let's see if I can work the magic. Guys! Guys! Where are they? Guys, where are you? I don't think going straight's gonna help. Ow! What the hell is this? A statue? Bonnie? Chica? Oh, thank God I found one of you guys. Oh my God. Where's Mangle and Freddy? I don't know. I thought you guys found each other already. No, I thought you guys found each other. Whatever. From what I know, Mangle never left the bed. Really? Yeah. I remember when I was being flown across the room. I saw her grab on. She was holding tight onto the bed. Well, that's good. We have to find the power source. You mean the light? Yeah. Hold on, I think I saw it. Where is it? Here it is, Chica. Yeah. Ugh. Oh, yep, that is you. Not some enemy that's about to kill me. All right. We got this as our power source. I think we're in like a hidden part of the room. Yeah, this place doesn't really look familiar. So, how are we gonna alert Freddy that we're over here? Simple. Just yell, Freddy, come to the light source! Come to the light source, Freddy Fazbear! Now, watch this. This is how you summon Freddy Fazbear. Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! Oh, who summons me? Oh, Chica and Bonnie! Huh. I never thought I would run into you guys, or that you guys would summon me. So, you guys got a plan to get back to the bed? Yeah, we're gonna use this. Yeah. Alright, well, let's lead the way. Ready? Wait, that's my power source. Yeah, that's Bonnie's. I'm gonna die alone with no friends to come back to. Ugh. Hey, Bagel. Ready, guys? I found the way. Using this awesome light source that Bonnie provided to me. I provided it to all of us. You just kind of borrowed it. Oh. Yeah, that doesn't matter. Right. Whoa. Alright. Well, the gang's back together. So, what now? Huh? I just see a red light. Whoa! Huh? Oh! It's the video! The lights are back on! Huh? What the? It's impossible. How do we do it? I think Foxy did it. Oh, Foxy? Yeah, I did it! Thanks, Foxy! No problem, mates! Well, if the power's not gone, we can continue our day. That's nice. That's nice. Anyways, I got the chocolate. It's, milk chocolate flavored. It's flavored milk chocolate. You guys want some? We gotta eat some of this to get to the Christmas spirit. Now you're talking. Freddy was just talking about it before the power went out. I think it's the Christmas spirit that helped us get through the mess. It's being together is what got us through it all. Yeah. Friends and family. My little heart's warming. Oh, don't get your hat in a twist or not. Anyway, anyways, you guys want to eat this $1.29 chocolate bar? It's really cheap. I got it from the dollar store. So for me, it was just $1. Sure. All right. Open. 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 Open! Open! Just open up! Open up, you stupid hunk of junk! Come on!